All right, here I have a 2023 Ford Maverick with 2.0 liter engine. And if you want the quick information for your oil change, it takes 5W30. It takes 5.5 quarts. The drain plug is a 15 millimeter, and then the torque for that is 20 foot-pounds. And then if you want an OEM oil filter, that's the part number BE8Z6731AB. All right, and then the rest of the video is showing where everything is. At the top of your under the hood, top of your engine, your oil cap and dipstick are right next to each other, so it's super easy. It's like I said, 5W30, and you can use synthetic blend. At the bottom, you have this cover here with 15 T30 bolts, and then when you remove that cover, your drain plug and oil filter are right next to each other, so it's super easy. All right, to reset your oil life, you're gonna turn your ignition on. You're gonna be using the OK and menu button, so press OK, press OK. All right, and when you're here, you're gonna go down right here to settings and press menu, and then here on information, press OK, press OK again, and then hold OK, and then that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.